Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use Buz TV codes. Buz TV is a video player app made only for iPhones and other Apple devices. It is not available for Android TV, or TV boxes. This is important to understand because many other apps use similar names, which causes confusion. Buz TV does not provide movies, live TV, sports, or any built-in content. It is not a streaming service. There are no subscriptions, no memberships, and no in-app purchases. You do not need to sign up or enter any payment details. The app works in a very simple way. When you open Buz TV on your iPhone, you will see an option to paste a video URL. This URL is the source of the video you want to watch. Once you paste the link and press play, the app starts playing that video for you. You might ask why you would paste a URL if the video already works on an official website or app. The reason is convenience and playback. Some official sources are not easy to use on mobile browsers. They may have ads, pop-ups, or poor controls. A video player like Buz TV can offer a cleaner interface and smoother playback. Some users also prefer to keep their video links in one place instead of opening different websites each time. It is important to remember that all content comes from the URL you paste. Buz TV does not host or control any videos. It only plays what you provide. Thanks for watching.